Good afternoon, my dear students. I am teaching class 12th, chapter number 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Now, we will be starting with a new topic, that is Human Genome Project. Okay, short form is HGP. So, this Human Genome Project, why this was being started? As if we talk about a single species of human beings, that means they must be having the same genetic constitution. But if we see, no two humans are exactly identical to each other. That means there must be somewhere their chromosome or their genetic makeup is somewhere, at least at one place it is different. So because of this difference, this led to the idea of why not sequence the whole human genome? Why not discover all the genes and all the chromosomes present in the human cell? So this led to a great project, Human Genome Project. So what was the aim of the project? The aim of the project was, there are about 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs, which accounts to around 3 billion base pairs. And if we calculate US dollar, $3 per base pair, that will account to around 9 billion US dollar. So students, that is why this particular project is known as mega project. And who all were involved? They involved US Department of Energy, US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health, NIH, National Institute of Health, and many more countries like Japan, France, Germany, China and so many other developed countries. They involved their laboratories in order to depict the genetic constitution of the human genome. Second was, if we are able to depict each and every base pair, suppose each page contains 1000 letters. Okay, and one book is consisting of 1000 pages. That means how many books we will be requiring? We will be requiring about 3,300 books in order to store this much large amount of 3 billion. Imagine 3 billion base pairs. How many books will be required if we go manually storing these large amount of human base pairs? So, and that too from a human cell. This led to a new branch of science known as bioinformatics. So, with the help of bioinformatics, with the help of technology, what is there? We are able to depict such a huge, large number of around 3 billion base pairs. So, this was all aim of the Human Genome Project. Now, we will be learning about the goals of HGP. So, what were the goals of HGP? So, the first and major goal of HGP was, there are about 20,000 to 25,000 genes present in each human cell. So, first of all, first goal will be, we will be identifying about 20,000 to 25,000 genes present in a human cell. The second goal will be to determine each and every base pair present in the human cell. So that means to determine the sequence of around 3 billion base pair present in a human cell. Next goal is to improve the tools for the data storage. That means improvement in the tools which are helpful in the data analysis. This will be the third goal. The fourth goal will be the improved transfer of these technology to various industries. So transfer of the various technologies to the industries, to various industries. Okay, students. The fifth goal of Human Genome Project will be, we will be having to store this large amount of information, we will be having a proper database. So to store this large amount of information, we will be having improved database. This point relates to your bioinformatics. And the last goal will be to address, because we are depicting human gene, to address ELSI. What is the full form of ELSI? To address ethical, legal and social issues which may arise due to the Human Genome Project. So students, in the exam, aim, they come, what are the aims of Human Genome Project? What are the goals of Human Genome Project? So that means you have to learn about all these things, okay? Ethical and legal issues. Okay, so we will be learning about all these. Please students, go through your NCERT. This topic will be a little bit lengthy topic, and if we consider the Human Genome Project, you should know it took around 13 years to complete. It started in the year 1990 and it ended around in the year 2003. So this was one of the best and the lengthiest mega project which has started in the biological field. Now we know each and every base pair of the human cell. So students, please go through this topic, study thoroughly, stay at home. Thank you.